Hello and welcome to this video tutorial on how to track tab events on your website with Google Tag Manager. First, I created a tag called GA Page View Product Tabs. This tag will trigger every time a visitor in my website clicks a tab, like this one in my demo website for example, the Reviews and the Description tab. Now back at Google Tag Manager, I chose Google Analytics for the product and Universal Analytics for the tag type. Then under Configure tag, I chose Page View for the track type. Then under More Settings, I click on Field to Set and set the first field name to Page, which is a default in GTM, and set the value to Page Path Product Tabs, and then the second field name to Title, which is also a default in GTM, and you click this block and set the value to Click URL Title Pipe Product Tabs. Then I clicked on Continue. For Fire On, I chose Click and created two triggers. I already created the trigger earlier, which are called Product Description tab and Product Review tab. Under Product Description tab, I chose all elements as a target for the Configure trigger. Then I clicked on Continue. Then under Fire On, I set two conditions for when will the tag fire. First condition is I chose click text from this drop down here, then contains from this here, and typed in description. And the second condition, I chose page URL from this drop down here, then contains on this drop down here, and typed in /product/. This means that the tag should trigger when someone on my website clicks on a text that contains the word description, and when it has a page URL that contains this expression /product/. And then I saved my trigger. On the next trigger, I named it Product Review tab, which is set almost the same as the first one, with targets as all elements, and then under Fire On, I chose click text from this drop down and contains here, and then typed in reviews. Then on the second condition, I chose page URL, then contains, and then typed in /product/. Then I saved this trigger and then saved my tag. Now after saving the tag and trigger, I will go to the preview mode. I'll click on this drop down here and select preview. Once this orange banner appears, it means that I am now in preview mode. Then I'll go to my demo website to test if the triggers will fire. Click on refresh, and then look closely down here as I click on one tab. I'll click on the Reviews tab. As you can see, my tag GA Page View Product Tabs has fired when I click on one tab. Now let's check on the Google Analytics. I'll click on Global Traffic and then click on Real Time and then Content. Well, there are a lot happening in my website right now, but as you may see, we have product tabs firing here. It means that Google Analytics has detected activity in our website. Thanks for watching this video tutorial on how to track tab events on your website with Google Tag Manager.